¿Listo? Hello everybody, welcome to another video by Kike Matamitos. Today we're gonna cook some beans because you know I am Mexican and Mexicans eat a lot of beans and we're gonna boil it. I'm gonna make this video just because somebody asked me about a video of the place where I live and what I do, or something about how to cook some food that I usually eat. So welcome everybody to my new home. I am living in a better place right now and we're gonna boil first the beans. We're gonna make some meat in the like a barbecue, not exactly but like a barbecue. It's like a, I don't know how to say that, it's roasted meat, okay, and nopales and etc. You will see. And first we need to clean the beans. This is dry beans, okay, before boil it. And I'm just gonna clean it because sometimes the beans have stones, sticks or something like that. I need to be sure that I'm not gonna eat a stone. So this is dry beans and we're gonna boil it like you can see. It's ready, very clean, no one stone, no one stick. Let's go to boil it.
Aquí ponemos la olla de los chocholes. Y vas a ver lo que en un 2x3 va a estar esos frijoles van a estar ahí.
Ahorita si gusta, ahorita Carlos.
Pero que salgan los frijoles ahí.
Yeah, well guys, first we need to put the water to boil in this fire.
Ay, joder.
The fire is hot. Okay.
Deja que te tomen una foto allí
And we're gonna put
echando el agua.
a lot of water.
Nomás no ponga las
Here.
manos ahí, si no, valió madre. Más. Ahí
No more. We're gonna boil a pound of beans. A pound of beans.
1 kilo. Ajá.
Yeah.
Un kilo
Un kilo de frijoles.
de chocholes. ¿Cómo se dice en inglés?
Ya me-
Frijoles, oye.
Beans?
Pin.
Beans?
Que trae otros leños por si de repente.
I don't remember the word for side. This object. So, I'm gonna put it here just for make the water boil faster. That is all. Okay, she's my wife, Chayito, and she are washing the beans just because maybe they can have some chemicals, okay?
Mira el agua.
Some chemicals like
Está cafecita.
poison for kill insects, etc. Just in case.
Animosa para todo.
See? Okay. Now the water is ready. I'm gonna put the beans there. And we're gonna wait. When the beans are soft, they are ready for put the salt in there. When the beans are soft, they are ready for put the salt in there. And that is all for beans.
Con esa leña se van a cocer los frijoles, ¿verdad que sí?
Yeah.
Chayo?
Sí.
Frijoles, no chingaderas.
Estos son frijoles.
Sí. Mira nomás. Qué chuleta eso. Usted.
And we also eat green beans, you know?
Le
There are
vamos a
some
quitar
base
los extremos.
beans. Yeah. She gonna cook the
Así.
Destasajearlo.
yeah. That is the best size. Okay.
Ese vino nomás a gastar gasolina, ¿ah?
¿Qué sandía, Con confianza. There is Chayito with the green beans
Lots of
to the boiled beans. They are ready right now. Where did you learn this, Chayito? Where
Look.
you learn it?
And
Green beans
con
and dry beans,
with
boiled beans.
with my family. It's tradition.
What you say?
Mhm.
Yeah, grabando. Now the salt
The salt.
to the beans, green beans, and normal beans.
De nopalitos.
Look at that. This beans gonna be for all the week.
Ajá.
We're gonna eat beans all the week. Look at that. The beans are ready. Delicious beans. With green beans.
Contéstele, doña Chayito, usted también.
Yeah. Now we need to move the beans away for make space for the tomatoes, for make the sauce. We need to roast.
The sauce.
Look at me, Chayito. We need to roast the tomatoes for make the sauces.
Jítomo.
Yeah. Look at that. And also
De chile.
hot peppers. Hot peppers. A sauce without hot peppers is not a sauce for me. And just wait. Need to be very roasted, very soft before make the sauce. We're gonna use cilantro in fresh and also chopped onion in fresh with this sauce. Okay, well, I'm gonna make more space because we also gonna roast nopales. Look at this.
Nopalitos.
These are nopales,
Asados.
one of my favorite vegetables, especially roasted. A lot of nopales.
Póngale sal arriba, poquita. Para que agarre la sal.
Ah, pues para eso le debemos haber hecho cortes así.
Sí.
Sí.
Pero así.
Porque así no se le va.
Sí.
Sí. Pues bueno, ahí tiene cortes, ¿verdad? Poquito.
Sí, sí, ahí se atora.
Ajá.
¿Verdad?
With a little bit of salt.
Voy a.
Look at that hot peppers, roasted. Smell really, really good.
Gravy.
The tomatoes is still not ready. They need more time. Look at that. This is delicious. This is not ready. The nopales are ready. Almost ready, this one. These are ready. I love roasted nopales. What you gonna do, Chayito?
Water of Jamaica?
Yeah, Jamaica water.
Jamaica, Jamaica.
It's
water.
real, something like that.
Mira. Check. What happened here?
What happened? Tomatoes are almost ready. This one is still a little bit hard. It's not soft, but this one is soft and this one too. So I'm gonna move this. It's ready. tomatoes are ready. Yeah. But this is still not ready, still very hard. I don't know why. Need to be more soft.
More nopales.
Another nopal. Yeah. Okay. For the sauce, the tomatoes are ready. We're gonna put a little bit of salt. Yeah. The sauce need to be a little bit salad because it's a sauce. And we're gonna smash with this bottle. Oh my God, this table are moving a lot. We just gonna match everything. Very, very, very. Smash it, smash it. And this is a simple sauces. We usually use a molcajete, but we still not buy it. It's like a stone device for smash and make sauces and other things, but it's a little bit expensive right now. And this is cheaper, you know? This is just a glass. Tell me what you think about this in the comments. Like you see, I always answer to all the comments. Not matters. Very, very hot. Very, very good. Now, I'm gonna chop a little bit of onion. Ya con un pedacito que me grabes de esto. No sé. ¿Ya estás grabando?
Yeah.
And now, the cilantro. Yeah.
Right.
Chop fresh cilantro for the sauce. We're gonna mix it. This is a really, really good sauce. It's the most common and popular sauce in Mexico, I think. Just tomatoes, hot peppers, onions, and cilantro. That is all. Very simple, but very, very good. Some people use lemon juice in this sauce, but for me it's okay. I don't gonna use lemon juice. Yeah. And we can eat this sauce with nopales, meat, and beans. Violet beans. Yeah.
No, se está haciendo bien.
Yeah,
Sí,
grande.
salir,
Okay, people, and well, I lost the recording, but we are roasting meat. You know, I don't know how to say it in English, but it's diezmillo. Is that part of the cow? And we're gonna eat this with sauces and the beans.
Ya sí se va haciendo.
Acá ya no es tanta carne.
Ay, faltan las tortillas, ¿no?
Ahí están las tortillas ya.
Pero calentadas.
Ah, sí.
Ahí a veces no se acaba la grasa porque si no...
Ya le iba a empezar a grabar ya.
Esa ya está, ¿eh?
It's the last meat.
Ya está.
Ah, esa está cruda de ahí. Ah,
Yeah.
ahí así.
This is ready.
Ya
Yeah.
está bien.
This is ready.
Ready.
These are ready.
Después con diarrea.
You are ready?
Sí, yes, yes, I...
Lo vayas a sacar.
Beans, salsa, and of course, tortillas. We're gonna warm the tortillas here. We don't make it, the tortillas. Tortillas in Mexico, most of the time, are make it in machines. So the handmade tortillas is still very rare, but they are more special. You are recording this?
Eat. The fish.
It's recording?
Two.
The camera? What?
If.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's try it. A little bit of meat. Just perfect. Very good. This device is for keep warm the tortillas. So I'm gonna put tortillas here for eat in another place because the sounds hit me. This is the dish that we make it. Use boiled beans. Really good with green beans. Nopales. With sauce and meat. This is just really good. I use some piece of meat and the sauces. This is the best taco for me. Very good. And agua de Jamaica. Jamaica, saril, or something like that. Very good. Look at, she's my wife. Have a dirty face for re-cooking in the fire with wood. No.
My face.
Did you like the dish? No. Hello? If you like this video, please like it. Tell me a comment. That's a comment. And I'll see you in the next video.